the Medical Center.
Well, this morning the heat is still on, and it's going to be that way for the next few days with only small chances of seeing any showers and thunderstorms. Yesterday, we were the benefactors of some pretty decent rainfall here in Bowling Green, while others didn't see a drop of rain at all. And on radar this morning, we're not seeing any shower activity, but later today there could be a few popping up, mainly along the I-65 corridor. And yesterday it was a little bit from I-65 eastward. Today it's going to be a little further west and south of us. Right along I-65 is where we think the best opportunity for some isolated showers to pop up will do later today. Right now, 70 degrees in Bowling Green. As we check the trend over the next 7 days and getting into now the Labor Day weekend, we do see signs of change here, but until then, with our average high at 88, we'll be at 91 today, 90 tomorrow, 89 on Thursday, and even a little bit less humid air as we get into Wednesday and Thursday with a little system that's going to come through and bring us a chance of showers on Thursday. But then we head right back up to 91 on Friday. But then as we head into Sunday and Labor Day Monday, better chances of rain. That's what's going to bring our temperatures back down into the mid 80s and take out some of the humidity that we've been feeling for the last few days. Temperatures this morning across the Mesonet sites, upper 60s to the north and east, low 70s elsewhere, and the mugginess continues. Upper 60, low 70 dew points, which means it feels muggy, kind of sticky as you step outside this morning. And add to that, we've got fog. This is the live view right outside our studios, Russellville Road, the Natcher Parkway, which you can't even see at the moment. This is the lowest visibility we've had all morning, and it's down now to a few feet, so very dense fog, at least right here in front of our studios. We did pick up some rain yesterday, and those areas that did see rain yesterday are likely to see the fog this morning. 72 degrees right now with the winds calm and the barometer rising. We check a few of our AAA systems weather cams. Franklin, you're starting pretty nice this morning with a fair sky. You're at 71 degrees. The Custer cam up in Breckenridge County, 71 there with a few high clouds. Russellville has some patchy fog, 70 degrees there in Logan County. Glasgow seeing a fair start this morning with a temperature of 70 degrees, and there's some thick fog in Mammoth Cave National Park. Your temperature at 70. Pollen count still running extra high in the red zone today because of ragweed pollen. It is pretty evident now. Ozone and mold still moderate. UV index will be running high this afternoon with all the sunshine. Green River Lake, that's our hometown forecast today, brought to you by the Kentucky Lottery. Campbellsville, Greensburg, and Columbia all will be around the 90-degree mark. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night estimated to be at $80 million. The next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be at $15 million. Well, there go all the heat advisories and also the excessive heat warning around the Metro St. Louis area. Now, the folks in western Kentucky still hanging on to that heat advisory through this evening. Then it does look to be dropped, but the heat is going to continue in this part of the country. The central Mississippi Valley is even this morning. Look at St. Louis at 81 degrees at this hour. Memphis at 78. We're at 72. And there's really nothing to cool us off in the short term. There could be those little isolated showers, as mentioned, that pop up, but that only creates what I call that steam bath effect. The sun comes back out after it rains, and then the steam, and it just feels awful. Nearest organized shower activity off to the north of us, where we've got this wobbly, semi-stationary, quasi-stationary front that's up there. Futurecast does paint in here maybe the possibility of a pop-up shower or two later today, but not much hope of change here anytime soon, as that high-pressure ridge is what's dominant here and keeping the heat dome right over southern Kentucky. We do have now Hurricane Cristobal in the Atlantic. It is just missing the Bahamas, but it will just go out to sea as a Category 1 storm and not bringing really any threat at all to the Atlantic seaboard. Hot and humid today after the morning fog. Later today, an isolated shower or thunderstorm along the I-65 corridor. 91 today, 70, warm and muggy tonight with patchy fog. Tomorrow, we'll make it back to 90, 89 on Thursday with a chance of scattered showers. 91 Friday, and then as we get into Labor Day weekend, yes, the rain chances do go up a bit, but go ahead and keep your outdoor plans. You'll just have to schedule in your plans around maybe a pop-up shower or thunderstorm through Labor Day on Monday.